With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss one question on quadratic equations and complex numbers. So here in this question we are given that we need to consider the given biquadratic equation. So here we are given a biquadratic equation as the 81x to the power 4 plus 216x cube plus 96x is equals to 65. And it is given in the question that the roots of this equality are a, b, c and d, where we are given that the a and b are the real roots and we are given that the c and d are the imaginary roots. Now on the basis of this given information we need to answer the following question. So we need to find the value of the c cube plus d cube minus a plus b cube. And for that we are given the four options. So in the first option we are given the 52 by 9. In the second option they have given us the 53 by 9. In third option we got the 59 by 9 and in the fourth option we have the 50 by 9. So for doing this question we are going to consider this given biquadratic equality. So we are going to write it here. So if we write it, then here we have the 81 x to the power 4 plus 216 x cube plus 96 times of x is equals to 65. Now for solving this question we are going to factorize this given biquadratic equation. So if we factorize it, then we get the 3x plus 2 whole to the power 4 and that would be equals to 81. So if we factorize it, then we get something like this. So we can cross verify it also. If we solve this second step, then we will get the first equation which we were given in the question. So if we solve this, then we get this as the factor. So here we have got this result. Now we are going to write the 3x plus 2 whole to the power 4 like the 3x plus 2 square whole square like this. And here we have the 81. So 81 can be written like the 9 square and we are going to bring this 81 on the left hand side. So here we get the minus 9 square like this and that would be equals to 0. So now we are going to apply the a square minus b square identity, which is the a plus b times of a minus b, where a is this and the b is this. So if we apply that identity here, then we get the 3x plus 2 whole square minus 9 like this, whole multiplied by, here we have the 3x plus 2 whole square plus 9 like this, and this would be equals to 0. Now if we again solve this, then we know that the 9 can be written like the 3 square. So if we solve this ahead, then we get here the 3x plus 2 whole square, and here instead of this 9 we are going to write the 3 square. So here we have the minus 3 square like this, and this would be whole multiplied with, here we have the 3x plus 2 whole square plus 3 square like this, and that would be equals to 0. Now for solving this we are again going to apply the a square minus b square identity here in the first bracket. So if we apply that, then we get the 3x plus 2 plus 3, this is a plus b times of a minus b, so that would be the 3x plus 2 minus 3 like this, and this would be multiplied with this thing. So here we have the 3x plus 2 whole square plus 3 square like this, and this would be equals to 0. Now if we solve this ahead, then we get our final factors as the 3x plus 2 plus 3, that is the 3x plus 5 times of, here we have the 3x plus 2 minus 3, that is the 3x minus 1, and that would be multiplied with, here we have the 3x plus 2 whole square plus 3 square like this, and that would be equals to 0. So on solving this completely, here we are getting the three factors as the product of these three factors is equal to 0. So if we say that this is the equation 1, then by using this equation 1 we get the three results. So the multiplication of three factors is equal to 0. So either the first factor would be equals to 0, that is the 3x plus 5 is equals to 0, or we can say that the second factor would be equals to 0, that is the 3x minus 1 is equals to 0, or we can say that either the third factor would be equals to 0, that is the 3x plus 2 whole square would plus 3 square would be equals to 0. So if we solve this ahead, then on solving this we get the value of x as the minus 5 by 3. So we get the first value of x as the minus 5 by 3, So let us say that this is the result 2. Similarly, if we solve this ahead, then we get the value of x is equals to plus 1 by 3. So this is the third result which we have got. And now we are going to solve this equation here. So from this, in the question we were given that the a and b were the real roots and the c and d are the imaginary roots. So here we have got the two real roots by the equation 2 and equation 3. And from this equation we are going to get the two imaginary roots. So let us solve this equation here. So here we have the 3x plus 2 whole square, and that would be equals to the minus 3 square, like this. Now if we take the under root on both sides, then on solving this we get the 3x plus 2 would be equals to, here we have the under root of minus 3 square. So here we have the minus 3 whole to the power, here we have the 3 square, and this is whole to the power 1 by 2 on taking the under root. Now if we solve this ahead, then we get the value of the 3x plus 2 is equals to, here we have the minus 1 to the power 1 by 2, that is the under root minus 1. So here we have the under root of minus 1 times of, here we have the 3 square whole to the power 1 by 2, that is 3. So here we have finally got the 3x plus 2 is equals to 3 iota. And since we have also taken the under root on both sides, so it would be the plus minus sign here. So here we get the plus minus sign because we have taken the under root on both sides. So we get the plus minus 3 iota, like this. So from this we are going to get the two imaginary roots. So the first imaginary root would be, the x would be equals to, here we have the minus 2, and if we consider the positive sign, then we get the plus 3 iota whole divided by 3. So the first root would be the x is equals to minus 2 by 3 plus iota. So this is the first imaginary root which we have got. That is the fourth result. Now if we consider the minus sign here, that is this sign, then from that we get the value of x as equals to the minus 2 minus 3 iota by 3. So from this the second imaginary root would be the minus 2 by 3, and here we have the minus iota, like this. So this is the second imaginary root. So here we have got the values of a, b, c and d. So here we have the value of a, and this is b, this is c, and this is d. Now in the question they were asking us to find the value of this thing, that is a c cube plus d cube minus a plus b whole cube. So now we are going to find this value. So here we need to find the value of this thing. So let us write this down. We need to find the value of the c cube plus d cube, and here we have the minus a plus b whole cube. So here we have the minus a plus b whole cube, like this. So we already know the value of a, b, c and d. So let us also write down those values. We know the value of a as the 1 by 3. So here we have the value of a as the 1 by 3. We also got the value of b as, here we have the value of b as the minus 5 by 3. That is this value. So here we have the value of b as the minus 5 by 3. And after this we got the value of c and d. So the value of c is minus 2 by 3 plus iota. So here we have the minus 2 by 3 plus iota. And similarly we got the value of d as the minus 2 by 3 minus iota. So in the question we need to find the value of the c cube plus d cube. So here we are going to use one identity. We know that the x plus y whole cube is given by the x cube plus y cube, like this, plus 3xy times of x plus y. So here we have the x plus y. So let us say that this is the sixth equation. So by using this sixth equation we are going to substitute the x as c and the y as d. So if we substitute that, then we get the c plus d whole cube, and that would be equals to, here we have the c cube plus d cube, plus here we have the thrice of cd times of c plus d, like this. Now from this we will be going to find the value of c cube plus d cube. So the value of the c cube plus d cube, that is this term, would be equals to the c plus d whole cube, and here we have this thing with the minus sign. So here we have the minus thrice of cd times of the c plus d, like this. So let us say that this is the result 7. So by using this equation 7 here in this, we are going to get the value of this thing as, here we have the c cube plus d cube, and the c cube plus d cube is this. So here we write the c plus d whole cube minus thrice of cd times of c plus d, and here we have the minus a plus b whole cube. So here we have the minus a plus b whole cube like this. Now we are going to substitute the value of c and d here. So the c is this and the d is this. So if we find the c plus d, then it would be the minus 2 by 3 plus iota plus d. D is minus 2 by 3. So here instead of this plus we have the minus. So here we have the minus 2 by 3 minus iota like this. This is c plus d whole cube minus thrice of cd. So thrice of cd. Cd would be, here we have the iota minus 2 by 3, and if we take the minus sign common from this d, then here we get the minus minus plus, and it would be the iota plus 2 by 3 like this. And after this we have the c plus d. So the c plus d is this. So we are going to write it here. So here we have the c plus d, that is the minus 2 by 3 plus iota minus 2 by 3 minus iota, and here we have the minus a plus b whole cube. So the a is 1 by 3. So here we have the a is 1 by 3 plus b, and the b is, here we got the value of the b as the minus 5 by 3. So here we have the minus 5 by 3. So instead of this plus we have the minus. So here we have the minus 5 by 3 whole cube like this. So now if we solve this ahead, then we get this plus iota and minus iota getting cancelled out, and we get the minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, that is the minus 4 by 3 whole cube. So minus 4 by 3 whole cube would be the negative of 4 cube by 3 cube like this. And here we have plus the thrice of, here we have the a minus b times of a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So it would be the a square, that is iota square, which is minus 1 minus b square. So the b square would be 2 by 3 whole square. So it would be the 2 square, that is 4 by 9 like this. And here we have the multiplication with this term. So here this plus iota and minus iota gets cancelled out, and here we get the minus 4 by 3. So here we have the minus 4 by 3 like this. And here we have the minus sign. Now if we take the LCM here, then we get the 1 minus 5, that is minus 4 by 3 whole cube. So it would be the minus and minus plus, and here we get the 4 cube by 3 cube like this. So this plus 4 by 3 whole cube and this minus 4 by 3 whole cube gets cancelled out, and here we have this 3 and this 3. So this 3 goes off with this 3. Now we are going to solve this ahead. So if we solve this, then here we get, here we have the minus 1 minus 4 by 9. So we take the minus sign common and we take the LCM. So it would be the 9 plus 4, that is 9 plus 4 is 13. So here we have the 13 by 9 times of, here we also have one minus sign. So minus and minus becomes plus, and here we have the 4 only. So if we solve this, then we get the 13 4s are 52. So we get the 52 by 9. So 52 by 9 is the value of the c cube plus d cube minus a plus b whole cube, which we have got here. So in the question they were asking us to find the value of that expression, and the value of that expression is the 52 by 9. So let us check that which option is the correct option. So here we have the 52 by 9. So here we are given the 4 options, and among these the first option is the correct option, that is 52 by 9. So this is our solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.